Hello everyone, welcome to UN College Digital Class. Now you are watching video lecture on nutrition. Nutritional status is essentially recognized as an indicator of national development. We can know the development of a country from the health status of that country, because health status includes maternal mortality, maternal morbidity, infant mortality, infant morbidity rate, and from that we can know about the development of a country, because you know that good health always depends upon nutrition and nutrition always depends upon food, because we access nutrition from our food. And before going to topic about nutrition, we have to know about what is food, and aim of this class is we will discuss on what is nutrition, what are the benefits of nutrition and importances of nutrition and factors affecting nutrition, and also we will discuss on the nutrients and the types of nutrients. First we will discuss on what is food. Food is any edible material that supports growth, repair and maintenance of the body. Any edible substance that we consume to fulfill our daily requirement of nutrition is known as food. All nutrients needed for the body are available through food. Food is any edible material which provide us energy, which provide us better health, and from food we can get nutrition, and food also fulfill our daily requirements, because we have to take food in daily basis and we can get energy in our daily life, and all the nutrients which are needed for our health, we will get that nutrients from our daily basis food. So we have to take proper and healthy food in our daily life to maintain proper healthy life. Food helps the human body for growth and development of the body, and also repair and maintain the body as a healthy life. Then we will discuss on what is nutrition. The term nutrition is derived from a Latin word nutritic, which means nourishment. Nutrition is the process by which body utilizes food for growth and maintenance and healthy living. The term nutrition, which is derived from a Latin word which is nutritic, and that means nourishment, and nutrition is a process through which the body derived the necessary nutrients from the food, and nutrition helps the body to growth and development and also repair the damaged cells and organs of the body. A science of food and its relationship to health and concerned with the part played by food factor, which are nutrients in body growth, development and maintenance. Food and its relationship with health is an important factor, because from food we can get all the nutrients which are needed for our healthy life, and it supports to growth and develop a healthy and wealthy life. Now we will discuss on fundamental of nutrition. Under fundamental of nutrition, first one is nutrition. Nutrition is a science of food and its relationship to health. It defines all aspects of interaction between a living organism and the substances which help the organism and the substances which help the organism to grow and sustain itself. Nutrition is a science which has relationship with food and health, because I had already told that from food we can get nutrition, and nutrition will help us to maintain a healthy life. So that there is a relationship between food and health, and also it helps the organisms to grow and development of human being. And the living organisms are in different types of specialties. First one is plant nutrition, second one is animal nutrition, and last one is human nutrition. And from plant nutrition we can get the nutrition from different types of foods which are related with plant, like from green vegetables, from spinach, we can get plant nutrition. And in animal nutrition, we can nutrition from different types of animals, means we can get nutrition from meat, fish. These are the animal nutrition which are providing us nutrition for maintain a healthy life. Under human nutrition, we have to maintain proper nutrients, and in our human body there is requirements of nutrition. Next we will discuss on human nutrition, which is related with fundamental of nutrition. It deals with food and nutritional requirements of human beings and different age, sex and physiological status. Nutritional imbalances in human beings and various measures for overcoming such deficiencies and imbalances. Human nutrition deals with food and nutritional requirements. In everyone's human body, there is need of proper nutrition because it provides us energy. There is different nutrients for different categories of people, means there is different nutrients for different age group people, and also there is different nutrients need for different sex, means there is a different nutrient for male and different nutrient for female, and also it depends upon physiological status of human being and also depends upon health status of a human being. When nutritional imbalances occurs, we will face different types of disorders which are related with deficiency of nutrition, and when a person has deficiency of nutrition, he will face disease like malnutrition and other deficiency disorders. Next we will discuss on clinical nutrition. It is that branch of human nutrition dealing with the physiological, pathological and therapeutic aspects of nutrition. Clinical nutrition is also a branch of human nutrition, and it deals with different aspects of human being, like aspects of pathological, physiological and also deals with therapeutic aspects which is necessary for a human being to maintain his proper health. Next we will discuss on public health nutrition. It is the branch of human nutrition dealing with human health and the service necessary to maintain human health. Public health nutrition is also a branch of human nutrition, and it deals with the human health and the other necessary human health services. There is some institutions and agencies which are working on providing different nutrition services to the human being. Efforts through National Health Services and other health related agencies and institutions to promote human nutrition. Under National Health Services, there is different services providing on human nutrition and also providing nutritional chart and nutritious food for children and the pregnant women and lactating mothers also. Different agencies and different institutions are also working on promote human nutrition feature under these services. Next is community nutrition. To promote human nutrition, community nutrition is same as public health nutrition. This is also a branch of human nutrition and it also promote community nutrition. And it is also as like as public health nutrition. Under this fundamental, there is also different agencies and institutions working on providing community nutrition. Next, we will discuss an objective of nutrition. First one is to promote the physical and mental growth and development of human beings, through which we can promote, we can get physical and mental healthy life and also grow and develop of human beings through the nutrition. Through nutrition, a human being can develop his physical health and also mental health. And next one is building and repairing of tissues and cell damaged by infections and injuries. Through nutrition, we can build and we can repair the tissues and cells which are damaged because of any type of infection or any type of injuries. And next one is to provide energy for doing works. It means we have to get energy for doing any work, and when we are doing any hard work, then if we have no energy for that, then we have to take proper nutrition which provide energy for doing works. Next one is to protect the human beings from infections and deficiency disorders, and nutrition also protect the human life from any type of infection and deficiency disorder which is related with nutrition. Due to lack of nutrition, we are facing malnutrition diseases, and that is also a deficiency disorder. Next, we will discuss on factors affecting nutritional needs. There is some factors which are affecting our nutritional needs, and first one is development. Development also affects nutritional need. People in rapid periods in growth, in infancy and at the time of adolescence period have increased needs for nutrients. At the time of infancy and adolescence period, there is need of nutrients. So, development also affecting nutritional needs. And next one is gender. Nutrient requirements for men and women are different because the physical construction or physical composition of men is different, and the physical construction or physical composition of female is different, and also the hormone of male is different and the hormone of female is different, so that there is need of different type of nutrients for men and women, and so gender also affecting the nutritional needs of human being. The next one is ethnicity and culture. Ethnicity often determines food preferences. In different ethnic group or in different culture, there is also some restrictions for afford food, and that also affects nutritional needs. And then with beliefs about food. Beliefs about effects of food on health and well-being can affect food choices. Many people acquire their beliefs about food, television, magazines and other media. And food that involve non-traditional food practices are relatively common. For example, honey is healthier than sugar, or organic foods are always healthier than those exposed to pesticides. And these are on beliefs about food. And next one is personal preferences. It means some persons has own choice, own preferences. There is likes and dislikes of personal human being, and that affects nutritional need because some persons like to eat junk foods, like to eat foods in outside, and there is some persons who are like to eat healthy food, eat traditional food. So there is some personal preferences, personal likes and dislikes, and which factor affect the nutritional need of a human being. Next one is lifestyle. Lifestyle also affecting nutritional need because some persons are busy in their work schedule and some persons are stay at home for more time, and those who are stay at home for more times, they have time to make foods and take more meals, take more delicious foods and more times of meal, and those who are busy in their schedule, they have no time to make food in home and they are busy in their schedule, and so that they taking food in outside in restaurants and hotels. So that lifestyle also affect nutritional need of a human being, because those who are eating more, that is also affect our nutritional need, and those who are taking less food or taking food outside in restaurants and hotels and taking junk foods, they are also affecting their nutritional needs. Next one is religious practices. Due to religious practices, in under some religions, there is problems arises. Some persons have to avoid some foods, like some persons are avoiding meat, some persons are avoiding completely the non-veg foods, so that religious practices also affect the nutritional need of a human being. Next one is economics. economics is an important factor which affect nutritional need. Because of socio-economic condition of a human being, he can't afford fresh vegetables, he can't afford meat, fish, egg, all those nutritious foods. For example, nowadays vegetable price is very high, so that all the persons can't afford the fresh and green vegetables because of poor financial condition. So that economics also affects our nutritional needs. Because of below poverty line, we can't afford proper food and proper nutrition. Next one is medications and therapy. It also affects the human body nutritional needs. The effects of drugs and nutrition is varied, and they may alter appetite and disturb taste perception and interfere with nutrient absorption of a person, and some antidepressants increase food intake also. And next one is health. An individual's health status greatly affects eating habits and nutritional status. Some persons has lack of teeth, and some persons has ill teeth, and so that the persons can't take food, can't eat food in proper way, so that the person can digest all the foods. At that time, health also affects nutritional needs of a human being due to some disorders of health, due to some health related issues also. Next one is advertising. Advertising also affects nutritional needs in some ways, like food producers try to persuade people to from product they currently use to the brand of producers, and some people are depending upon different advertisements of different food, so that it also affects nutritional needs of human being. And last one is psychological factor. Sometimes psychological factors also affecting the nutritional needs of human being, because sometimes some persons are taking more food when they are in depression, when they are in any type of frustration, or when the persons are in distress. And sometimes some person are taking less food and completely avoid the food due to some distress, due to some reason of depression, and due to some frustration. So that psychological factors also affecting nutritional needs. Next we will discuss an importance of nutrition. Eating a balanced diet is vital for good health and well-being. Nutrition has important role for our healthy and well-being. Through nutrition, we can maintain our healthy life, so that we have to take a balanced diet for good health and well-being. Diet is an important as medicine in the treatment of disease. We are taking medicines for treatment of different diseases. Like that, we have to maintain a balanced diet, and we have to take proper nutrition for prevent some different diseases, and for prevent that diseases which are related to lack of nutrition, as like as malnutrition, which is a deficiency disorder, and it arises due to lack of nutrition. A modification in the diet or in the nutrient can cure certain diseases. We have to modify in our diet chart, because sometimes the modification providing more nutrients and which can cure, which can prevent certain diseases from our health. And next one is a healthy diet decrease the risk of many diet related diseases. And we have to maintain a healthy diet, because a healthy diet habit will decrease different risks which are diet related diseases. Food provides energy, protein, essential fats, vitamins and minerals to live, grow and function properly. Food always provides the body energy, protein and essential fats which are needed for a healthy life, and also food provides proper nutrients which will help the body to grow and develop in a healthy life. and also maintain and repair the tissues and organs of the body which are damaged for different disease or for different problems. So that there is importance of nutrition in a human body. Enjoyment of a healthy diet can also be one of the great cultural pleasures of life. We have to enjoy a healthy diet because healthy diet will provide a healthy life and which will provide a great cultural pleasure in our life. In this class, we have discussed on what is food, what is nutrition, different benefits of nutrition, importance of nutrition, and also we had discussed how we can create an environment in which environment we can live a healthy and long life, and also discussed on different fundamental of nutrition. In next class, we will discuss on what is nutrient and different types of nutrient. Keep watching. Thank you.